how to delete a card from your Apple Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove credit cards, debit cards, anything like that from your Apple Pay wallet on any iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, simply find and open up the wallet app on your iPhone. Then once your wallet opens up, go ahead and find the card that you want to remove and select it. It'll then open up the card like this. And all we need to do is select the three dots in the top right of the card and then select card details. Once the card details load, scroll all the way to the bottom. And at the bottom, you'll see remove card, select remove card, and then just confirm you do indeed want to remove this card from your Apple Wallet by selecting remove. Once you've done that, you'll see it removed from your wallet. And it may ask you to change your default card because you deleted the card that was your default card. So go ahead and go through those steps, but you have now removed that card from your Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.